There's an old cedar in the middle of our yard, but it's choked out by vines and has tons of dead branches. Unfortunately, my only A-frame ladder is too short to reach any of that, so I decided to make one out of the extension ladder I found behind the house when we bought the place.
I only did this because it's what I had on hand and what I needed to get done. If you need to make an A-frame out of an old extension ladder and you have the money, just go buy an A-frame ladder that's this tall. It's going to be a lot safer. The top part made out of 2x4s is, I think it's pretty solid. I need to figure out a better solution for the supports at the thick end to make them something that I don't have to screw on and off every time I want to use it as an A-frame ladder. So as you can see, the extension ladder that I turned into an A-frame ladder worked for trimming up that cedar tree, and my wife is happy with the results, so that's a good thing. I'm going to try to rock out this audio really quick because it's really windy and the cars keep driving by. If you have questions about how this A-frame ladder went together from an old extension ladder, let me know in the comments. Do know that I intend on solidifying the top with some JB weld or resin or something like that to fill the gaps. There's a constant stream of traffic here, and so doing audio outside is going to be tough. But I do intend on videotaping some of these other projects they got around the house, and tons of projects here as we try to renovate this old 100-year-old farmhouse and farm yard area. So feel free to subscribe to see some of the other projects, and my name is John. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions or comments, let me know, of course, in the comments below. Thanks so much. Yeah.